Hello everyone, welcome to our new series in which we will be learning about the generative AI from scratch. So today, as we all know that AI is becoming advanced day by day and it is very important for us to also get involved with it and use AI as much as possible and play with AI. So if you are coming from any tech background or non-tech background, so AI is essential for everyone. Okay, so let's move ahead and learn generative AI. So what is generative AI? Generative AI is like you are you want to generate something from AI. Okay, you will provide some instruction to the AI and then AI will act accordingly. So it's like teaching a computer how to be creative. It can write stories for you, it can draw pictures, it can compose music, and it can even talk like a person. Okay, just like I'm talking to you right now. So AI can perform all these operations. Okay, so let's move ahead and discuss the learning path. Basically, we will start from the basics and then we will move to the advanced version. Okay, so for learning the AI, generative AI, we need to understand the basics of AI first, and then we need to understand the machine learning concepts because AI is totally dependent and standing on the machine learning concept. So it is very important for you to understand some basics of uh, the machine learning. And the second thing is Python. So Python is very important if you are if you want to generate some of your model, you want to integrate some models, so Python will help you out there. Okay, so you can write in other coding languages as well. Today, I think other languages are also supporting the AI, but the Python is it's very simple. It's very easy to write. The syntax is very easy to learn, and it has many built-in AI modules for you, which is present. You can just import them and you can directly use them. So that's why we will start and we will learn these concepts in Python, and then we will build our some AI mini AI models, and then we will dive deeper into the Gen AI models and some projects. Okay, so what is AI? So imagine it with an example like you're playing a video game with computer. Okay, when you play video game uh, with a computer, so you suddenly notice that the enemies start to learn from your activity. Okay, when you're fighting, you are on a fighting game, you are on a racing game, and suddenly the enemy started beating you. Okay, uh, it started playing very well. Okay, so that's artificial intelligence. It's learning from your activity. Okay, so the simple definition is AI means making computer think and act like human, learn, solve, and decide. Okay, it will learn from you, it will solve according to that, and it will be able to decide what is right, what is wrong. Okay, so AI is also like a small kid. When you will interact with a kid, so you will see that kid will learn from you. Whatever you will perform in front of him, it will react to it and it will try to copy it and it will try to learn that same thing. So that's how AI is also like a kid. It watches thing which is an input. Okay, when you provide some input to it, it watches that, it understands that, it learn from it. Okay, it takes that data, it process that data, uh, and then it provide some output out of it. Okay, it speak or react or write. So that's AI. Comparing it within some simple example. So like compare yourself and AI. Like you see a cat, you say cat. And if AI says cat, it will not directly say cat in just one time. You will have to provide it thousand pics of cats, around thousand or many more. Then after that thousand pics, the AI will say it's a cat, because AI will not understand it directly with one image. It will take multiple images and it will compare all those images that, yeah, the image looks similar in all these images, uh, and the content looks same, exactly same in all these images. So then it will say cat after 1000 pics. So it will read those data, it will understand, it will process that data. Similarly, if you're solving a math problem, you say, if I say you 2 plus 2, you will say 4, because you know it, you have learned it. That's why you know 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Similarly, AI also learns it from data. When you provide 2 plus 2 is equals to 4, 2 plus 3 is equals to 5, 5 plus 8 is equals to 13. Okay, so then AI starts to analyze and process that. Okay, that's how these calculations are working. Then it will be able to provide you the calculation automatically. So it is learning, and when you provide more data to it, it learn more. Okay, similarly for the song, when you hear some song and then you start singing it. Okay, similarly, when you provide some reference song to the AI, it also start generating music, something similar. Okay, so the real life example that you see about AI today, like Chat GPT, is very famous. I think you all must have used it. So it talks to you basically. When you write, it's like chatting system. When you write something, it provide you some output, some reply out of it. Okay, so we have the chat system like Chat GPT. We have Delay, which draws from your words. When you provide some input to it, it draws something for you. And we have in e-commerce platform also, like Amazon suggests you products automatically, just analyzing your previous data, your previous orders, your previous wish list, and your search history. So it analyzes all those data, and then it provides suggestion to you accordingly. Okay, we have self-driving cars today, which automatically drives, so it does not need human intervention. Okay, face unlock app, which recognize your face pattern. Then, like the cat example I provided you, it just recognize you again and again, again and again. And when you provide the face lock, it basically trace your whole face data and save it somewhere. Okay, so that's how this AIs work. Okay, so how AI works, I've already told you. Then you can understand it with the simple example. Like it takes input, okay, either a picture, either text, anything. Okay, it takes that input. It learns from it. Okay, it learns from that text, that image again and again, again and again. Okay, like in today's example, Chat GPT. Okay, one person is typing. Okay, what is the new model of Hyundai car? Okay, then it provides some output to it. Okay, then some other person somewhere else provides, okay, this is the new Hyundai model XZ, and I want to know the price of it today. Okay, so now AI knows from one prompt that this is the Hyundai model, so it stores that information, and when you ask what are the new Hyundai models, it provides you that. Okay, it learns from different inputs. Okay, then it process it, and then it provides output. So that's all about the basics of AI. So in the next video, in the coming video, we'll be discussing more, and we'll be learning the machine learning, and then the Python, and many more things. So see you in the next video, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.